Next up on the chopping block, oh, it's already falling apart, is this brand new in box, what's it called? Cooler Master computer case. It's a mini one, and I gotta adjust the camera. There you go, probably didn't even notice what I did. Brand new in the box is how I got it. Has the phone and everything, but actually, I can use that to stick in the trash can. It comes with a manual. Wow. Elite 130 series. Just gonna take care of it so long. You know, because that's just what you do with computers. Oh, it even came with the screws and the SATA connections. SSD screw, 12 pieces. I can hold on to that. At least something won't get thrown out and wasted. Oh. The fan blades completely fell off. Of course, it's shattered. In the end, I want to play my games. Whatever. It's like smashing a microwave, to be honest. Cheap. It's from like 2014 or something. There's a giant rust stain on my axe. That's about all you can do to a computer case. It's just metal.